Welcome back to 50 Car. Not all trucks are born equal. Some are sculpted to defy limits. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling testament to unyielding strength and boundless versatility. Designed for the adventurer and the pragmatist, it promises to conquer highways and trails with ease. At its core, the Silverado roars with a 6.6L Duramax turbo diesel engine, delivering 445 horsepower and a staggering 910 lb-ft of torque. Its maximum towing capacity of 36,000 pounds redefines heavy-duty capabilities. The downside, its sheer size may challenge city driving. The exterior is a visual symphony of muscle and precision. Angular LED headlights frame its bold grille, while refined contours enhance aerodynamics. Yet, its commanding bulk might intimidate those seeking subtler designs. Inside, the Silverado blends ruggedness with refinement. A cutting-edge 13.4-inch infotainment display pairs seamlessly with leather-appointed seats and wireless tech. Despite abundant storage and intuitive controls, rear legroom could be more generous. On the road, the adaptive suspension ensures a buttery smooth ride, even on rough terrain. However, fuel economy lags behind competitors like the Ford F-150 Hybrid. Still, its maximum speed of 110 miles per hour and agile handling make for an exhilarating experience. Priced from $42,000, the Silverado targets 55-year-olds seeking a balance of power and luxury. Available in colors like Summit White and Red Hot, it stands out in any crowd. Rivals such as the Ram 1500 and Toyota Tundra challenge its dominance, but none rival its towing prowess. The 2025 Silverado isn't just a truck, it's a partner for those who demand more.